Hi, I'm Gav, and I've been laser cutting and CNC cutting for about 20 years. I've worked on and with some of the UK's and world's largest brands and attractions, creating theming, models, props, sets and signage, such as the Swarm at Thorpe Park, where I helped to create the fuselage, wing and engines. Then there's the Smiler at Alton Towers, where I created theming, signage and projection mapping elements. Characters and props for CBeebies Land, also at Alton Towers, and lots of other signage, props and models for many other places. I've also owned my own businesses, creating signage, crafts and gifts, and I'm here to help you with design, software, laser and CNC machines. So, if there's anything you need to know, then please just ask, and I'll do my best to help you where I can. I'll be creating tutorials, reviews, builds, and even lives where you can ask your questions. So, if you like these sort of things, then please stick around, like and subscribe, and let's try and build a like-minded community together.